Hey Super Cruisers, it's Kevin and Frank from Cruising with Wheels.
And welcome to your Tuesday Tip of the Day.
Today's cruising tip is
how to be a good cruise planner and scheduler.
Call, email, purchase, refill, just get it done.
Contact your post office to put mail on hold if you need it.
Have special needs. Fax the form to the cruise line 2 weeks before sailing.
Schedule any doctor or dentist appointments before you set sail.
Make sure you notify your credit card companies via phone or online as to your exact itinerary and ship name.
Refill any medications you need prior to sailing.
Replace those batteries, recharge any electronics, watches, clocks, cameras, really anything you need digitally.
And don't forget to plan your haircuts, your color, your highlights, manis and petties before you leave.
Pay any and all bills and do any banking you need to get cash.
Plan the date for your final shopping for any clothes and necessities.
Plan a day of any ironing if that's what you want to do, and packing to be done.
And lastly, clean out your refrigerator and get any trash out of the house. Put your house lights on a timer to scare off any potential intruders.
Turn off any house computers, appliances, etc., and adjust your house thermostat to save on energy.
Turn off the house water main and place the hot water tank to vacation mode.
Give any travel info to your family members or whoever's watching your house.
Check all home window and door locks to make sure they're secure.
I always like to make sure that I have a full tank of gas in my car before we leave too.
Make sure you have all cruise documents, passports, and any other ID you require.
Do you have your wallet, your cash, your charge cards, your cell phone, your keys, your eyeglasses, your brain?
And that's your Tuesday Tip of the Day.
Thank you for joining us for another exciting episode. And remember to not just watch our videos on YouTube or Facebook, but become a regular Cruising with Wheels family member by subscribing. You click that little subscribe button and don't be a ding-a-ling. Hit that little bell to get regular notifications of when our videos go live and when we're live.
And remember, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat.
But until next time, remember to always
travel safe
and cruise often.